you're up above me. You sit where you want to land. Beep bop, boop bop. Okay, I'm all set. Now which button do I press? Press the blue button. Should be directly across from my right eye. Beep. Now you're landing. You may be initiating minor turbulence. Now put on your safety glasses. These should be black. I can't find them. Okay, now put them on so no one recognizes you. Got it. Nancy out. You should be landing. Bye. Bye, Nancy. Beep. Initiating takeoff mode.